Do you remember the famous colored cube puzzle that we spent hours trying to crack his code? Yes, you guessed it correctly, the Rubik's Cube, and in today's video we will give you 15 facts about it, so stick around. If you are new around here, make sure to subscribe with notifications on, so you do not miss any of our new videos. Also, feel free to follow us on social media, links in the description box down below. Fact number 1. Invented in 1974, it took the inventor, Professor Erno Rubik, over a month to solve it. Fact number 2. Over 350 million Rubik's Cube have been sold worldwide. It is estimated that $3.5 billion have been spent on the Rubik's Cube. Fact number 3. There are 43 quintillion, 43 followed by 18 numbers, possible permutations of the Rubik's Cube. Fact number 4. If you manage to turn the Rubik's Cube once every second, it will take you 1.4 trillion years to go through all the permutations. Fact number 5. It can be estimated that less than 5.8% of the world's population can solve the Rubik's Cube. Fact number 6. The largest Rubik's Cube ever made is a 17x17x17 cube. Kenneth Brendan solved it in 7.5 hours. Fact number 7. Did you know that the cube was originally named the Magic Cube, but the developers changed it to Rubik's Cube? Fact number 8. For the puzzle's 15th anniversary in 1995, Diamond Cutters International created a fully functional Rubik's Cube made of 185 carats of diamonds. Worth $1 million at the time, the company also issued 2,500 silver editions for $2,000. Fact number 9. In 2003, Dan Knights jumped from a plane at 12,000 feet and solved the cube in 32 seconds. Fact number 10. 14-year-old Lucas Etter can manipulate the puzzle in a world record time of 4.90 seconds, which he set in November 2015. Fact number 11. 7-year-old Chan Hong Lik solved a Rubik's Cube blindfolded in 2016. It took him 2 minutes and 21 seconds to finish. Fact number 12. Hobbyist Tony Fisher got a Guinness World Record for his massive Rubik's Cube, which measures 5 feet across and 5 feet tall.